Hello guys, welcome to ACE Online and warm welcome to RRB JE revision series. Guys, in today's session, we'll discuss about important previous year questions on engineering mechanics subject to boost your confidence. Before we begin, let me introduce myself, Hajarathvali Sir. I am the faculty at ACE Engineering Academy. These are my credentials. I secured 14th rank in GATE, 45th rank in ESC. I've done my masters at IIT Bombay and I worked at GE Global Research Center for 9 years and I'm having a more than 14 years of teaching experience. So guys, you can blindly trust me. I know what to teach, what not to teach, where to focus, where not to focus guys. So you can blindly follow this next 40-45 minute session guys. It will be definitely useful for you guys. I'm going to solve some of the important PYQs from engineering mechanics subject. Now, let's start with syllabus. If you observe the syllabus guys, this is exactly syllabus mentioned in your notification. That is the force, same wordings they have given guys. Resolution of force, moment of force, force systems and equilibrium, friction, centroid and moment of inertia and center of gravity and simple machines guys, simple machines. I have divided this syllabus into 5 chapters. Chapter 1, force and moment system. Chapter 2, equilibrium of force system. Chapter 3, friction and its applications. Next, chapter 4, lifting machines. Chapter 5, centroid and moment of inertia guys. What is the typical weightage? What is the typical weightage guys? If you observe carefully guys, typical weightage for this one is 3 to 4 questions used to get out of 100 guys. 3 to 4 questions or 3 to 4 marks you can able to get out of 100 guys. But the questions level is very simple, very easy. They don't go too much depth. If you're having surface knowledge of engineering mechanics also, you can able to answer this question very easily. I hope you understand guys. Without further delay, let me start the agenda of today's session, that is previous year questions on engineering mechanics guys. Now, let's start with first question. You please try to answer it guys. I will follow it. You please try to answer it. I will also check it. Read the question carefully and try to answer it. Please read the question guys, everyone. Yes. Let me check. In order to determine the effect of a force acting on a body, we must know nature of the force, that is whether the force is push or pull. Next, magnitude of the force. Next, line of action of the force and all of the option guys. We must know everything because if you take any object guys, there is a force of 10 newtons are acting guys, then we should know what is the magnitude, what is the nature of the force, magnitude of the force and line of action, and we must know the point of application also. Anyway, that point is not given, so you don't need to worry about it guys. So I need to have all the options above. This is a question given in the RRB JE 2019, 28th August first shift itself guys. Now, go to this question guys. The unit of force in SI unit. What is the unit of force in SI unit guys? Newton. What is mean by Newton guys? I can write 1 Newton equal to 1 kg meter per second square. So the special unit for 1 kg meter per second square is the Newton guys. What does it mean? What is mean by Newton? It is the force required to move 1 kg object with an acceleration of 1 meter per second square guys. Next, Dyne is what, guys? It is a CGS unit, guys. It is a CGS unit. What is in the CGS unit? What is going to happen, guys? Centimeter, gram, second. So the mass is measured in what exactly, sir? The mass is measured in grams. So one dyne must be equal to 1 gram. Instead of meter, we have to use centimeter, guys. 1 gram centimeter per second square is the dyne. 1 gram centimeter per second square is the dyne. But anyway, he is asking about only the unit of force in SI units itself. So the right answer is option A. Next, this one, guys. 1 Newton force is equal to how much? 1 Newton force is equal to how much, guys? Please try this question. Please try, guys. Very good. Catherine, Maria Jose. Please try this question. Excellent, guys. Guys, other students also please try to give the answers. Yes. Here, 10 power 5 dynes. Sir, I didn't remember this one. What to do? Very simple. See, I know that 1 Newton. Just now we discussed, guys. 1 Newton means what? 1 kg, 1 meter per second square. But what is mean by dyne in terms of gram centimeter per second square, guys? So what I can able to write? 1 kg means 1000 grams. 1 meter means 100 centimeters. 100 centimeters by second square. Total how much is coming, guys? 1000 and into 100, guys. 10 power 5 gram centimeter per second square. 10 power 5 gram centimeter per second square is what exactly, guys? 1 Newton. So I can say this is called equal to 10 power 5. What is mean by gram centimeter per second square, guys? It is called dyne. 10 power 5 dyne, guys. I hope this is clear. Next, the product of either force of the couple with the arm of the couple is called. Please think of it. The product of either force of the couple with arm of the couple is called, guys. Please think. Rajavardhan, very good, Nana. Your answer is correct. The product of either force of the couple with arm of the couple is called resultant couple, moment of the force, resulting couple, moment of the couple, guys. Please, first we will see what is meant by couple. A couple is a pair of forces. A pair of forces is called a couple. Yes or no, sir? It is not a moment of couple. Couple means pair of forces equal in magnitude whose line of action of forces is not the same, guys. Which means that one force is F is here, another force is F is here. These two are represented. This is called a couple. Couple, guys. Then what is mean by the product of either of the forces of couple and the arm of the couple? It is called moment of the couple. Moment of the couple is equal to the product of either of the forces and the perpendicular distance between the forces, guys. So the right answer is option D, guys. Clear, everyone? Sukanya, Hemant, I hope this is clear. It is not the moment of the forces, guys. It is not the moment of the force. If it is only single force is there, then I can say it is a moment of force, I can say, guys. But here two forces, couple is there. That's why it is called moment of a couple, I can say. I hope you got the clarity, guys. Yes, very good. Next, a 12 kilonewton force produces a moment of 96 kilonewton meter, then the moment arm equal to how much, guys? What is the moment formula, guys? Anyone? Moment equal to force into distance. This distance is called moment arm. Moment equal to force into distance. This distance is called moment arm, guys. What he has given, guys? M equal to 96, F equal to 12, into D. So D equal to how much, guys? 96 by 12. How much is coming, guys? Anyone? 12? 8 jar, guys. Yes or no, sir? The right answer is option D itself. Very good. The right answer is option D. Very good, guys. Very good, Hemant. Very good, Sukanya. Very good, Shiva. Excellent. Everyone given the correct answer. Let's see. Yes. A couple produce dash type of motion. Think, guys. A couple produce dash type of motion. This question given, guys, in SSC JE also given, in RRB JE also given, guys. Please try. A couple produce what type of motion, guys? Translation, combination of translation, rotational and reciprocating, guys. Tell me. Yes. Please think, guys. Yes, rotational. It is going to give you rotational, guys. It is going to give you rotational, guys. Getting an answer, everyone? It is going to give you rotational. Why? Because what is meant by couple? It is going to give you turning effect. Turning effect means rotational effect, guys. Turning effect means rotational effect. The answer is option C itself. Next. According to the law of moments, yes, please read this question carefully. According to the law of moments, if a number of coplanar forces acting in a particular plane are in equilibrium, on a particular, sorry guys, this point is missing, on a particular plane are in equilibrium. If number, according to the law of moments, if a number of coplanar forces acting in a particular plane are in equilibrium, guys, then what does it mean? The algebraic sum of their moments about any point in their plane is 0. Next, the algebraic sum is 0. The algebraic sum of their moments about any point is equal to the moment of the resultant force about the same point. Next, their line of action are at equal distance. Please share this one. The highly confusing question, guys. Most of the students will going to give the wrong answer. Let's see how many guys are going to give the right answer for this one. Let's see, guys. Let's see, guys. No. Hemant? No. I know that. I know that most of the students are going to give the wrong answer as I'm expected. Yes. The right answer here is, guys, given by Batina Jos. What is the name, guys? Difficult to pronounce, I think. Yes. Maria Joshi is correct. Sukanya ma'am is correct. Kelika, Josni Kelika, that is also correct, guys. Very good. Yes, the right answer here is option A. Because according to the law of moments, if I take any plane, there are multiple forces are acting on the plane, guys. The condition they given is, guys, there are the multiple forces are given and all these forces are in equilibrium. Then what is the law of moment says that, guys, the moment of all these forces about any point must give you 0. That is the law of moment, guys. Algebraic sum is 0. It is not law of moment, guys. It is just sigma f equal to 0. It is the equilibrium equation. Getting an answer, everyone? The law of moment means this is the one. The algebraic sum of their moments about any point in their plane equal to 0. This is the correct. But some of the students are given this is also correct, guys. But when this option is correct is, if they haven't given this equilibrium term, if the equilibrium term is not given, then this option would be correct. Why? Because is the algebraic sum of their moments about any point is equal to, should be equal to 0 first of all. Why? Because guys, why? Because it is in equilibrium itself. If it is not in equilibrium, then what is going to happen, guys? Algebraic sum of their moments about any point must be equal to the moment of their resultant forces about the same point. This is called Varignon's theorem, they used to say. It's a little tricky question I have observed, guys. If it is in equilibrium, if you take moment about any point, will give you 0. Suppose if it is not in equilibrium, then I am taking moment about A. Then I am having one more resultant, guys, resultant of all these three, and moment of this resultant about this point must be equal to the moment of the individual forces about the same point. The moment of the resultant about this point must be equal to the moment of this individual forces about the same point. Getting answer? This is called Varignon's theorem, guys. But this is applicable if it is not in equilibrium. But its condition is equilibrium, that's why we have to choose option A is the right answer. I hope this is clear, guys. Everyone? It's clear, guys, please respond, Amma. Yes, good, guys. Next, if line of action of all the forces are along the same line, if line of action of all the forces are along the same line, then forces are said to be, if line of action of all the forces are acting in the same line, then forces are said to be coplanar forces, non-coplanar, non-concurrent forces, collinear forces, coplanar concurrent forces, guys. Guys, from the force systems, not only in RRB JE, high possibility of getting the questions in force systems, guys. That's why if you purchased our required sessions, guys, I myself have started the engineering mechanics over there, guys. I spent around half an hour only on the force systems itself. Different practical examples I have given what kind of force system it is, guys. Take an example of beam. I have a beam, multiple loads are acting on the beam. What kind of force system should be equal to? It is a coplanar force system. Why it is a coplanar? These things I discussed. Take a tripod. Tripod is an example of what exactly? It is a non-coplanar concurrent force system. Why? All these things I explained in the regular our class, guys. Getting an answer, everyone. So you please try, guys. The line of action of all the forces are along the same line, which means that all are along the same line. If all are along the same line, it is called a collinear force system. It is called a collinear force system. So right answer is what exactly, sir? Option C is the correct one. Yes. Next, please go through this question, guys, everyone. Coplanar concurrent forces are those forces which, question given, coplanar concurrent forces are those forces which meet at one point, but their line of action do not lie in the same plane. Okay, coplanar concurrent, guys, meet at the moment you given concurrent means all the forces must pass through a single point, guys. But as given, coplanar means their line of action should lie on the same plane itself. All must be lie on the same plane. But here, meet at one point, concurrent satisfied, but their line of action do not lie in the same plane. So it should lie on the same plane itself, guys. Next, second one. Do not meet at one point and their line of action do not lie in the same plane, guys. Do not debate. This is called, I can say, non-concurrent, non-coplanar force system, guys. This one, concurrent, non-coplanar. This is a non-concurrent, non-coplanar force system, guys. Next, C. Meet at one point and their line of action also lie on the same plane. Yes, this is the absolutely correct answer, guys. It is an example of coplanar concurrent force system. Next, D. Do not meet at one point. Do not meet at one point, but their line of action lie on the same plane. Do not terminate one point, it is a non-concurrent, but their line of action lie on the same plane means it is a coplanar. It is a non-concurrent coplanar force system. This is also wrong. The right answer is option C, guys. Very good. So many students given the answer C. Excellent, guys. Next, non-coplanar concurrent forces are those forces. Yes. Here coplanar concurrent forces, guys, is a similar kind of question given in the RRB JE itself. Non-coplanar concurrent forces are those forces which, at least you please give me the answer, guys. So non-coplanar concurrent. Here non-coplanar means it should not lie on the same plane, but concurrent means should pass the same point itself. Then which option is correct, guys? Think of it. Meet at one point, but their line of actions do not lie on the same plane. Option A is the correct. Do not lie, guys. Do not lie, because non-coplanar means do not lie itself. Option A itself is the correct, guys. Here do not meet at one point. No, because it is given the concurrent he has given, guys. Next, meet at one point and the line of action also lie on the same plane. No, this is the coplanar concurrent force system, guys. So right answer is option A itself. Very good, guys. Very good, Sai Charan. Suresh, good. Next, yes, please try, guys. This is the one. Guys, the question on parallelogram law is very, very important, guys. The questions they used to give like this. Just you have to remember this formula, guys. This is the P, this is the Q. Assume angle between this one is theta, guys. Then you get a resultant. Then you get a resultant like this. You get a resultant like this. What is this resultant equal to, guys? R equal to square root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. R equal to how much, guys? Square root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta, guys. It is a resultant. You must remember this formula. Then it is making an angle of alpha with respect to P. It is making an angle of alpha with respect to P. How much is this angle, guys? Tan alpha equal to, anyone, guys? Q sin theta by P plus Q cos theta. P plus Q cos theta. So alpha equal to how much, guys? Anyone? Tan inverse of this value I am going to get. So you have to remember these two formulas. This is useful not only in RRB, in engineering mechanics, guys. It is useful in strength of material as well as in other structure subjects, guys. Clear, everyone? Yes. But here, check it, guys. First, it is not in terms of sine cos, it should be in terms of tan only. This is the correct answer itself. But ulta is what exactly? I assumed angle between P and Q is theta. He assumed alpha, guys, because alpha is the angle between, guys. So you get Q sin alpha by P plus Q cos alpha. And alpha he has assumed as a theta itself, guys. That's why theta equal to tan inverse of Q sin alpha by P plus Q alpha. P plus Q cos alpha as given, guys. Very good, Hemant. Good. This tan one, this is the tan one you have to remember, guys. In the exam, they can give you theta can be changed to alpha, alpha can be changed to theta, or instead of they can give you beta also, guys. But this tan one we discussed in the class. P and Q angle is theta, R makes an angle of alpha itself. But they given the ulta angle, guys. That's it. So you can make it, guys. Very good. Next. Yes. Read this question. Try to answer it, guys. Read this question, guys, everyone. Two forces of 6 newtons and 8 newtons act at right angles to each other. Then resultant force will be very simple, guys. Here one force is there, one force of 6 newtons, another force of 8 newtons, guys. So angle is how much, guys? Anyone? Theta equal to how much, guys? 90 degrees. If it is the 9 degrees, directly you can get, guys, resultant equal to how much, guys? Square root of 8 square plus 6 square, which means square root of 64 plus 36, square root of 100 guys. Square root of 100 means how much am I anyone? 10 I am going to get. So right answer is option D. Even if you substitute guys, you get the same answer. R equal to how much guys? Square root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ. Angle how much guys anyone? Cos 90 degrees. Cos 90 means how much guys anyone? Cos 90 means how much? Cos 90 means 0. Sin 90 means 1 guys. Cos 90 means 0. This entire term will be 0. You get square root of P square plus Q square itself. Very good. The right answer is option D itself guys. Next. Please check this question guys. Two forces are acting at right angles of. Yes, this is the little tricky question. Let us see how many students are going to give the answer. I am going to give you 1 minute of time. Let us see who is going to give the correct answer for this. Let us check it guys. Two forces are acting at right angles. So at angle of 120 degrees guys. The biggest force is, I am giving the clue, I am giving the diagram also guys. Assume this is the P, this is the Q. The biggest force is 40 newtons and the resultant is perpendicular to smallest force. I am assuming P is the smallest force guys. Then resultant is, this is the one resultant which is acting an angle. This angle equal how much guys? Alpha formula 90 degrees guys. This is the Q equal how much is given? 40. Then the smaller force equal to how much guys? Let us see how many students are going to give the answer. Let us check it. Very good Rajavardhan, your answer is correct. Remaining students also please try. Very good Sukanya ma'am. Guys, others also please try guys. Don't wait for my answer. Please try. Yes. How you can able to solve easily guys? The simplest way is, listen carefully. He has given the clue. What is the tan alpha formula guys? Tan alpha equal to Q sin theta by, tell me sir, Q sin theta by P plus Q cos theta. Q sin theta by P plus Q cos theta. Tan alpha means I can write tan 90. What is mean by tan 90 guys? Infinity. Infinity means I can write 1 by 0. That equal to Q sin 120 because angle between P and Q is called theta guys. This is given as 120. Sin 120 by P plus Q cos 120. If we just cross multiply these two things guys, I am going to get P plus Q cos 120 equal to 0. Now P I want to find out, Q means 40, cos 120 guys, which means that cos 90 plus 30. What is mean by cos 90 plus 30 means guys anyone? Minus sin 30. Minus sin 30 means how much I am going to get guys? Minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. 20 I am going to get. My P minus 20 equal to 0. So P equal to how much guys anyone? 20. P equal to how much guys? 20. The right answer is option A is the right answer guys. Clear everyone? Yes. Next. The resultant of two forces each equal to P. Yes. A very good question guys. No, this is not, this is a little simple itself guys. Next question will be good question. Two forces each equal to P and acting at right angles is similar question guys. The resultant of two forces, one is P, then what is, then resultant equal to how much? Very simple, square root of P square plus, am I correct or not sir? p square, guys. How much is coming, guys? Square root of 2p square. The answer equal how much, guys? Root 2p is the right answer. So option D is the correct one, guys. Very good, very good. Very good, guys. Next, yes. Let us see how many students are going to give the answer, guys. This question, think of it. This required little mathematical skill, but don't worry, such kind of questions very rarely they given. But here you need the concept of simple mathematical skill, guys. Try. If two equal forces of magnitude P, two equal forces of magnitude P act at an angle theta, their resultant will be equal to how much? Their resultant will be equal to how much? Here it is not difficult, it requires little mathematical skill is required, guys. Let us see how many students are going to give the answer, guys. Let us see. Let us see, guys. Let us see how many students are going to give the answer. Everyone, think of it. Think. Very good. I think few students are given the correct answer already. Let us check it, guys. If two forces are equal magnitude P act at an angle theta, the resultant will be how much, guys? This is the question. Please think, guys. Let us check it, guys. Yes, very good. Some of the students are giving. Let us check it, guys. Let us check it. You'll see, guys. Two forces of equal magnitude P square, then resultant will be, guys, P square plus 2PQ cos theta, again 2P square cos theta, guys. Now this is the resultant. How much I am going to get? R equal to, I can write 2P square plus again 2P square cos theta. Yes or no, sir? Now take P common, guys. Take P, I am taking it out, then 2 I am taking it common, then 1 plus cos theta. But answer he is asking everything in terms of theta by 2, theta by 2, theta by 2, sir. Which one is correct answer? You know this answer, guys. Cos 2 theta must be equal to how much, guys? 2 cos square theta minus 1, which means that 1 plus cos 2 theta must be equal to how much, anyone? 2 cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta, guys. Now I want 1 plus cos theta, sir, by 2 I am going to get, which means that 2 cos square theta by 2 I am going to get. That's it, guys. Now same thing, if you observe carefully, P into square root of 2 into, tell me, sir, 2 into again 2 cos square theta by 2. So how much I am going to get, guys? So 2P into square root of cos square theta by 2 means how much is coming, guys? 2p into cos theta by 2. The right answer is what exactly, guys? Option D is the right answer. Clear, everyone? Clear, guys? Yes. Next, if the resultant of two equal forces has the same magnitude, if the resultant of two equal forces has the same magnitude as either of the forces, little tricky question, you please still think of it, guys. If the resultant of two equal forces, there are two equal forces has the same magnitude. This is the P, assume this is the P, guys, as either of the forces. Yes, sir. Resultant should be also having the same P, guys. Resultant should be also having the same P. Read the sentence carefully. The resultant of two equal forces has the same magnitude as either of the forces, which means that if these forces having a magnitude P and P, resultant also having the same magnitude P, guys, then angle between the two forces is how much, guys? Let us see who is going to give me the answer for this one, guys. What should be the angle between these two forces, guys? If resultant is also same, guys, and these two forces are having the same magnitude itself. Apply same thing, guys, here. What is the formula here? R square equal to how much? P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Apply same thing, guys, you get the answer. P square, Q square plus 2PQ cos theta, guys. R square means what here? P square. This is the P is same P square itself. Q means again P square itself. Again 2P square here. Next how much, guys? Cos theta. Here 1P square getting cancelled out each other, guys. Getting an answer, everyone. So how much I am going to get, here again? 1P square getting cancelled out each other. So this P square I can able to cancel out, guys, because I am going to get 0 here. So I can write 2 cos theta equal to how much I am going to get, guys? Minus 1 I am going to get. Cos theta equal to how much, guys? Minus 1 by 2. What is minus 1 by 2 means, guys? Cos 120 degrees is the only one which is going to give you, yes, minus 1 by 2. The right answer is what exactly, sir? Option D. It is not 90, guys. It is a 120 degrees. Clear, everyone? Yes. Next, guys. Yes, let us see this question. Let us see how many students are going to give me this answer. A force of 800 newtons acts on a bracket is shown in the figure. The moment of the force about B equal to how much, guys? What is the moment of this force about B he is asking, guys? Very simple. This one I can resolve it, guys. How can I resolve? This equal to 800 cos 60. This how much, guys, anyone? 800 sin 60. Now, he is asking us to moment about B, he is asking, guys. Moment about B, I can able to say. Moment about B equal to how much, guys, I can say? 800 cos 60 is going to give you clockwise. How much? 800 cos 60. Cos 60 means how much, guys? 1 by 2 into, I want in terms of meters, guys. Cos 60 into, what are the perpendicular distance, guys? 160 mm, which means that 0.16, guys. 0.16. Next, plus, it is also going to give you the clockwise itself. How much is coming, guys? 800 sin 60. 800 sin 60 means root 3 by 2 into distance, how much, guys, anyone? 0.2. Then give me the MB, guys, everyone. Give me the MB value. Approximately how much is coming, guys, everyone? Let us see. Who is going to give me the answer here? Yes. The right answer is, guys, 203 3 guys. 203 is the right answer. You can substitute guys. 1.732 you can substitute root 3 guys. You get 203 Newton meter is the right answer here. Very good guys. Very good Sukanya ma'am. Very good Rajavardhan. Excellent guys. Now, see this question carefully. Observe it. The horizontal and vertical component of a force of 200 newtons acting on a body at an angle of 300 degrees, at an angle of 30 degrees with the horizontal is how much is asking, sir. There is a direct question, this one is, this kind of question only they are going to ask. Is asking, this angle is how much is given, 30 degrees, guys. Then is asking, what is the horizontal component, what is the vertical component, guys. What is the horizontal component, guys, everyone? 200 cos 30 is the horizontal component. 200 cos 30 is the horizontal component. 200 sin 30 is the vertical component, guys. 200 sin 30 is the vertical component. So tell me, sir, 200 cos 30 equal to how much? Is asking with respectively, guys. First horizontal and then vertical. What is mean by 200 cos 30, guys? 200 into root 3 by 2. How much is coming, guys? Anyone? 100 root 3. Next, 200 sin 30, guys. 200 into 1 by 2. How much, guys? 100 itself, guys. 100. Should be respectively, guys. First should be horizontal and then vertical, guys. The answer is option A is the correct answer itself, guys. Clear? Yes. Next. This is a little easy question, guys. Please check it. Everyone. If F is the force acting on the body, M is the mass of the body, and A is the acceleration of the body, then which of the following is true according to Newton's second law of motion? What Newton's second law of motion, guys? F equal to ma, which means that F minus ma equal to how much, guys? 0. The right answer is option C is the right answer, guys. Clear? Yes, guys. Now, let's see the questions on friction, guys. Direct question they are going to give you, guys. When one body rolls over surface of another body, one body is rolling over surface of another body, then resistance to the motion is called static friction, sliding friction, rolling friction, electrostatic friction. This is not at all related to engineering mechanics, guys. So you can blindly ignore it, guys. This one, you can blindly ignore the option D, guys. Which one, guys? What is the static friction? Briefly, I will tell you, guys. Static friction means, listen carefully, sir. When the object is at rest, now I apply the force. Now I am applying the force, object is not moving. Why it is not moving? Because of it is a static friction. Now I apply the force, object is moving. Now I get the resistance, guys. That resistance is called sliding friction. Suppose if it is rolling, then I am going to the rolling friction, guys. But here given the question is, guys, one body rolls over the another surface is called rolling friction itself. Clear? Next. The friction experienced by the body when the body is at rest. See, guys, the questions are similar kind of questions, guys. When the friction experienced by the body when the body is at rest is called dynamic friction is in when the body is in motion. Rolling friction, it should roll. Sliding friction, it should slide. Static means at the rest itself. The answer is option D is the correct answer, guys. Next. The maximum friction force which comes into play when the body is just to begin to slide. When the body is just to begin to slide, what is the maximum friction force, guys? This is called technical term, guys, limiting friction. What is the limiting friction formula, guys? F is equal to mu s times of n. It is a limiting friction. It is a maximum friction force any body can able to resist, guys. The answer is what exactly, sir? Limiting friction. Next. The limiting friction is, write down, guys, listen carefully. The limiting friction is, give me the answer for this one. Give me the answer for this one, guys, everyone. The limiting friction is minimum static friction, minimum sliding friction, maximum static friction, the friction that limit the velocity of the body. The answer is, guys, maximum static friction is called a limiting friction itself. Next, the minimum angle made by inclined plane with the horizontal. Yes, this is a good question, guys. The minimum angle made by an inclined plane with horizontal such that an object is placed on the inclined surface just to begin to slide is called, tell me, guys, is called, tell me. Book book see, guys, what exactly it means, guys. Listen carefully, everyone. What is meant by, there's one term called angle of repose. What is meant by angle of repose is, I have an object here. Now I have some surface. Now I am having some object on this one, guys. Now I am tilting. See, it is an equilibrium. Tilting, equilibrium. 3 degree, 4 degree, 5 degree, 6 degree, 7 degree, 8 degree, 9, 10. You can see it is not moving. It is still is an equilibrium itself. 10, 11, 12. Yes. At 12, it starts moving down, guys. That maximum angle I can able to tilt till that object is in equilibrium or object is about to slide down is called angle of repose. The technical term is, guys, angle of repose, guys. Let me tell you, guys. Same thing. Now I am keeping it horizontal, guys. Now what is going to happen? Here 0 degree, now 1 degree, not moving, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes. At 13, object starts sliding. The 13 degrees is called angle of repose, guys. Angle of repose. Next, the angle of friction. What is the angle of friction? Basic definition, guys. Suppose I know that if I am having a normal reaction, if I am having a friction force, limiting friction, guys, then you get the friction force something like the resultant friction force, guys. Resultant friction force, guys. Then the angle between, listen carefully, guys, the angle between the resultant force and normal reaction is called a angle of friction. So please check it, guys. This is the angle of friction, guys. The ratio of friction and the normal reaction, no. The force of friction when the body is in motion, no. The angle between the normal reaction and the resultant of the normal reaction limiting friction, yes, this is called angle of friction, guys. Angle of friction. So what the angle of friction formula you will get, guys? You get tan theta equal to coefficient of friction u you are going to get, guys. Clear? Next, the maximum friction force which come into play when the body just begin to slide. It is a similar kind of question they given, guys. It is a limiting friction itself. Yes. Dash is the angle of inclination of the plane at which the body begins to move downward. It is the angle of repose. See, guys, questions are coming very, very basic questions they are giving, guys. Now, can you please check this one, guys? The ratio of static friction to dynamic friction is always equal to 1, less than 1, greater than 1 or none. It's asking static friction to dynamic friction, guys. Let us see who is going to give, guys. Check it. Good, guys. Very good, Kakarla Sai Charan. Excellent. Very good, Venkat Ganesh, Sukanya ma'am, Catherine ma'am. The right answer is what exactly? Greater than 1 itself, guys. Why? Because you know that always the static friction US is greater than UK. Why? Because, guys, that's why it is always easy to move the object when it is in motion compared to when it is at rest, guys. I will ask this question, guys. Tell me, I have some object is there. Is it easy to move the object from the rest or easy to move the object when it is already in motion, guys? Yes, it is always easy to move the object when it is already in motion. It is easy compared to rest, guys, because static friction is more compared to kinetic friction. Is asking the ratio, guys. So US by UK, how much is coming, sir? Greater than 1 I am going to get. The right answer is option C itself. Good, guys. Take the small question on the lifting machine, guys. Lifting machine. The mechanical advantage is the ratio between, tell me, sir, the load and distance moved by the effort, the load and distance moved by the load and effort, effort and load, guys. Guys, mechanical advantage is always ratio of load by effort is called the mechanical advantage, guys. Load by effort is called the mechanical advantage, guys. So load to the effort, guys. The right answer is option C is the correct one, guys. Next, please check this question and give the answer, guys. A load of 500 kg was lifted through a distance of 13 centimeters by an effort of 25 kg, guys. The load equal to 50 kg, effort equal 25 kg, move through a distance of 650 centimeters, then mechanical advantage of the lifting machine equal to how much, guys? The formula is mechanical advantage equal to load by effort. Load equal to 500, effort equal to 25, guys. 25 2 times. So the answer how much, guys? 20. The right answer is option C itself. The right answer is option C, guys. Yes, please check this question, everyone. In a screw jack, the effort required to lift the load is given by. This is a similar question, guys. Multiple times they given this one. Very good, guys. Tell me how much is coming, guys? How much, guys? Yes. Here, listen, phi is the angle of friction, alpha is the helix angle, guys. Effort required is always the stand formula you have to remember, guys. P equal W tan of alpha plus phi. I'm expecting the similar kind of question this year. Please mark this one, guys. W tan alpha plus phi. Suppose same question in the screw jack, like when you are lifting a car, you keep a screw jack, then you try to rotate. How much effort is required to raise, guys? W tan of alpha plus phi. Same thing, to lower it down also you have to rotate, guys, because it doesn't come on its own. It is having a self-locking mechanism, guys. Then how much effort is required at that time? The effort required to raise is alpha plus phi. The effort required to fall is, to lower it down is alpha minus phi, guys. This is for the rise, this is right, this is for the move it down is the alpha minus phi, guys. Clear? Next. Please check this question, guys. The efficiency of a screw jack is maximum when the helix angle is equal to, tell me, guys. How much is coming, guys? How much, Amma? When helix angle theta is given, you will get when 45 minus theta by 2. Theta is the angle of friction, guys. This is a stand formula you have to remember, guys. 45 minus theta by 2 is the right answer for this one, guys. Next. Please read this question. The velocity ratio of a lifting machine is 8. The velocity ratio of a lifting machine is 8. Then which lifts a load of 900 newtons by effort of 150 newtons, then efficiency of the machine equal to how much, guys? Guys, efficiency is always, guys, listen carefully, mechanical advantage by velocity ratio is the formula, guys. But here, directly given the velocity ratio, now, what is the mechanical advantage, guys? MA equal to load by effort, 900 by 150, guys. So I'm going to get 15.6, 6 by how much, guys? Anyone? Velocity ratio is given as 8 itself, 8 into 100 percentage. So which means that, guys, 3 by 4. So 0.75 or 75 percentage, guys. The right answer is option A is the right answer, guys. Very good. Next. Okay, guys. With this, I'm stopping this session. Time is exactly 7 o'clock. I hope this session is useful to you. I'm very happy that you are very much participated in the session. You've given the answers, guys, properly. I'm really happy that. Thank you, guys. Karthik, Nikhil, Kathrisa, Rajadwadan, everyone, guys. Everyone. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks for participating in this class. I wish you all the best, guys. I wish you all the best. I wish you'll be successful in this exam. Okay, we'll meet you again, guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.